ready to turn that Amazon gift card into a cheesy, delicious Domino's feast. First, locate your Domino's gift card information in your Amazon order details. It's usually sent to your email address after purchase. The important info you'll need is the gift card number and PIN, so keep this handy. Now head over to the Domino's website or open the Domino's app. You can redeem your gift card for online or in-store orders. Let's start with online. Build your perfect pizza masterpiece by adding all your favorite items to your order. When you get to the checkout page, look for the payment section. There should be an option to add gift card. Click on this. A box will pop up where you can enter your gift card number and PIN, which you found in your Amazon order details. Make sure you type these in correctly. After you've entered the information, click Apply Gift Card, and you'll see the gift card amount deducted from your order total. If there's any remaining balance, you can pay it with another payment method. Want to use your gift card in store? It's just as easy. Simply tell the cashier you'd like to pay with a gift card and provide them with the gift card number and PIN. They'll apply it to your order. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your Domino's pizza paid for with your Amazon gift card. Happy eating!